Bro, why is this dude sleeping under? What? Bro, y'all would never believe, bro. I dropped my camera in the ocean. This might go again, y'all. Watch this strike. Watch this strike. Watch this strike. Some way, somehow, I ended up finding an acai bowl. Or the acai bowl find me. Ty John.
At the couch, bro.
Bro, why is this dude sleeping under? What? What is wrong with this guy, bro? Oh my God.
I think my daddy never gone too.
Yo, we finna go to the beach, bro. That is crazy, bro. Sleep out. That is crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like that. Oh my. This dude is sleep. Bro, I can't even hear dude snoring. Sleeping under the couch cushion, bro. Like, you cannot. And it's a pull-out bed, bro. Why you ain't just.
God, bro. I ain't feel like doing it. I was like.
I hope you got your nap in, man. Bro, y'all won't never believe this, bro. I'm off. So I just bought an iPhone 15 Pro yesterday. That's what I'm on right now. So, yeah. I'm happy about that. I've been wanting one for so long. Cause I feel like this would be better for vlogging, honestly. Just cause it's like less discreet than the camera, and easy to carry around. I can just put a phone in my pocket and just type junk, you feel me? So like, that's what I got going right now. How y'all feel about this? Y'all like this, or y'all like the camera better? I know I probably like this better, just being honest. Cause it like just look more realistic to me. But y'all see crazy.
The pest control man told us these houses cost $3.5 million.
3.5 each.
3.5. Yup. God, dog.
I wonder how people like get so early on to like, okay, I don't, like how they get so early on to be like, okay, I'm gonna build these properties on this beach. Like, obviously everybody knows money there, so I just don't see like how I guess they get there before everybody else gets there.
Yeah, some people are tied into it, man. Like, some people get the land from relatives.
Bro got a pool in his front yard. That's crazy. That's crazy. With a beach down the street. But yeah, back to the news I was trying to tell y'all about. Bruh, y'all would never believe, bro. I dropped my camera in the ocean. Well, I tried to set it up to record this video, right? And the wave came and knocked it down. So, but yeah, idea place to go. So, I dropped my camera in the ocean, bro. It was only in there for like 1 second, bro. Like, cause as soon as it was falling, I got up and started running after it, and then so it splashed the water, and I picked it up. But when I picked it up, it wasn't recording no more. It wasn't recording no more, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like, that slick hurt so bad, though. But it really didn't, but it really does. Like, I'm trying to stay positive that it's gonna come back on. But I've been blessed with the 15 that I can record on. So, like, it's like timing. You feel me? So I'm not tripping for real. I'm really blessed to even be able to, you feel me? Like, I don't know. That's just been my mindset lately, for real. I'm still blessed. I can still record. I can still vlog for y'all. Yeah. I'm trying to figure this camera out, yo. Yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated for sure. I don't know, man. I think I kind of like this vlogging off the camera. I'm off the phone right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna wait to try. I did try and use my use the blow dryer in the room to kind of dry that camera off. I did the cool air, of course, but because they had a cool air button. So I tried to use that. Then I'm gonna just let it sit like pretty much till tomorrow probably, or till we get back to the crib. And then probably try and cut it back on because it did not work. Oh, there's like a whole area over here. God. Look at this though, y'all. Like, look. We got everything over here. Got stores over there on the other side. Like, this whole area, bro, you can literally walk to everything. But yeah, got the smash burger, Chipotle, cups and cones, everything. So, you see you got H&M, it say on that sign right there. It's like a shopping center down there. I see Zoomies. Got everything, really.
Hey to all my nephew fellas, I'm getting ready to beat his booty in some bowling.
She must don't know.
Oh, I know.
You trying to avoid the video, bro. But you can record me right quick, though. Record. I know I'm not supposed to be doing this. Bro, they just don't know like that I'm really like that in bowling. Like, not for real, bro. I'm just talking. They just don't know that I'm really like that. Like, what's crazy is, fun fact, they made us take a bowling class at DSU. We literally had to take a bowling class at DSU, like, and they literally told us, we actually used to go to class and learn how to bowl in a real bowling alley on campus. That ball was too light, bro. This second ball was too light. Oh, you got a strike? Oh, nah. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, hold up, nah. This really some comp, like. Nah. Oh, Mario finally on the vlog. This is my sister, y'all. The faceless sister that don't never be in the camera. Oh, they're actually good. Okay. Why you don't want to show your outfit off today? You wanted to post pictures on Instagram. Okay. Dang. Y'all get into the fit though, get into the fit. I had these on right, but I think I like these better. Like these better than them. That's how I think. I don't know. These might be harder than them. uncle? That's my uncle. Okay. Bro, my uncle got 2 strikes, bro. It's like it's gonna be, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Sorry, I'm gonna get it right. Where you at, auntie?
I know I'm not playing too good.
You gotta be on the vlog now.
I know I'm not playing too good.
This her, y'all.
I got your next one. I got your next one.
You wanna be on the vlog?
What that? We're not gonna strike yet.
This might go again, y'all. Watch this strike. Watch this strike. Watch this strike.
No, we got to spin side.
You're not trying to spin too much. This dude got another strike again. Oh my. Yeah. What's there? Okay. Y'all, this is my pops. This is my dad, y'all. Oh, too hard. Yeah. Redemption. Okay, yeah. Much better. I'm so dead. My mama told me I let her show y'all. Let her show. Look at her scope. Okay. You and auntie going at the same time now.
Yep.
Show her, Mark. Going at the same time, cause she said on the vlog she was gonna outbowl.
But something's going on though.
This is looking bad, y'all. This is looking bad. I can't lie. Dude got 4 strikes, bro. This is my uncle. This is my uncle. So. 4. Oh my god. Oh, bro, what? Oh, bro, what in the world, bro? Alright, y'all. So, walking to this restaurant called Bud Puckers. Bud Puckers. Yeah, we chose like a place with a diverse menu. You know what I mean? Pretty good, decent prices. Like say they got live gators up in here. Oh, these little live babies. Hold up. Dang, they training them like that. Training them up like that just to get ate. That is so wrong. Y'all, I'm gonna actually try some alligator while I'm in here though. I ain't gonna lie. Got to. I done had it before though. I'm gonna be real, so I done had it before. It was pretty decent. But like, I feel like, I don't know if there was like gator. So like, but I know this one like gator, you feel me? So, yeah. So that's what, I'm trying some gator over here. They feeding the gators over here. Everything like, bro, I want to see how we can get closer, but yeah. I'm gonna go in the restaurant, man. Hold on. Look at that. A plate area over some gators is crazy. At least. You can buy the feed right there, I'm guessing, and then just throw out the food. Alright, y'all finna have to go. That's cool though. Shrimp, alligator.
I ain't trying before.
Man, I don't know what to get. That's the thing about big menus. It's the gator. You mind being on the vlog? Yeah. See. All right, this is her first time trying the gator.
It's pretty good. All right, with the sauce.
So I just get. You mind if I just get in my hand?
Go ahead.
This one. Let's see if I'll break. Okay.
Yeah, it's green onions. They add flavor.
How is it?
It'd probably be a pepper.
That sauce delicious though. Alright, this without the top.
They might got some tomatoes. It says it's cheetah.
What's in it?
Try to get it, man. Try to get it.
Wanna try that sauce?
That sauce delicious. That sauce good.
Got a little bitty piece. The smallest piece they have.
You know what? The gator is like,
Tastes like chicken. Tastes like chicken.
yeah, it really don't taste like nothing you would expect.
That's true.
Only thing
I
that's
wouldn't
different,
even know what it's gonna taste like.
yeah, only thing that's different is the texture.
They try to squeeze the lemon on your gator.
That's the only thing that tastes different is the texture. Alright, this my nachos with the mac. Bro, all this food looks so good. That's my sister tacos. My cousin got the nachos. He got the munching,
Crunch and work.
crunch and munch. Good y'all. Gonna see how this helicopter ride works. Helicopter ride is crazy. Alright, so we're waiting on the helicopters right now. That's fine. Yeah. Waiting on the helicopter right now. There's a couple people in front of us. But should be going in the next minute. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't never been on no helicopter before. It's gotta be crazy. I think the helicopters cost like, it's this place called Timber Wave, something like that. DestinHelicopters.com, something like that. But I think it was 65, no, it was 60 for the ride, like per person. So, me, my pops, my uncle, and my little cousin gonna ride it. So, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited though, because the helicopter is crazy. A helicopter, like really getting on the helicopter, is crazy. What y'all think? Y'all excited to get on the helicopters? Because essentially, like, you know what I mean? Like, y'all getting on the helicopter with us, type gun. Essentially, you know what I mean? Like, since we, like, is right here for real, but, you know what I mean? Like, yeah. So how y'all feel about getting on the helicopter? Y'all ever been on a helicopter before? Comment it down below if y'all ever been on a helicopter ride before. If y'all haven't, after y'all get on this helicopter, let me know how y'all feel about y'all first helicopter ride. So let me know. You know what I mean? Like, we on there together. But Yeah. Also, do y'all want me to include the whole helicopter ride? Because I think it's like 8 minutes. So y'all want me to include the whole ride, or like, nah, just show us, you know what I mean, type joint. I'm gonna talk to y'all. I know they said we can't do it when we walk in on the helicopter, but we can record once we get on there and the doors close. Bro, think about that business aspects of this. How much is a helicopter, bro? How much is a helicopter? I don't know. I would expect probably like 200K. Are these 1.8 million? Oh, these cost 1.8 million. All right, but look though. So they make 280 off us for 8 minutes. 8 minutes is all it took. 8 times 860. 8 going to 60 like 8 times. So 8 times 8 is 64. So they can make probably 280 times at least 7. They probably don't make that, but that's like other things. I'm just talking about best case scenario for people, and that's the cheapest package. Like this the lowest price for that's the lowest package, so they can make more type gun. So they gonna make it up in the other packages with but it's gonna be different. I'm not gonna get into all that, bro. But 280 times 7, that's probably like, that's 1960. So they dang near making $2K an hour for 10 hours. That's 20,000 a day. Off the cheapest package, assuming that everything, you know what I mean? That's 20,000 a day. They open 7 days a week. That's 140. Right, 140 a week. That's insane, bro. I'm just thinking about like how much that's a really like profitable business model. I ain't gonna lie, like from what I know, I don't really know too much. I don't really know how much the helicopter is. I don't really know how much the maintenance on the helicopter is. I don't really know, you know what I mean? But from what I can see outside, like they making some bread, no doubt. But I think we up next after these next people, so probably another 10 minutes. Get on. Time done. You do gotta wear these. Oh, we on now. Oh, we on now. So, all of y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get back on there.
Tip jar. Can you bring that out for him?
course, we end up of course, we end up shopping, dealing with women. So, I ain't gonna lie. But how y'all feel about these? I ain't gonna lie, these shorts kind of tough, though. I ain't gonna lie. $10 too for some Levi shorts. I'm finna show y'all. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out now. Just hear me out, bro. Just hear me out, bro. You feel me? They're a little out there. You feel me? They coloring and stuff, but they really kind of tough though. Like for real, like I ain't gonna lie, like I can see me like really putting something together with this, and for $10, bro, I can't let them out for real. Like basically, y'all think $10, bro? Comment down below. Should I have bought the shorts for $10? Should I buy the shorts for $10 or no? Only $10. We in Ross right now. Of course, like I said, my mom and them was supposed to go to Publix. My mom was like, oh, I just want this one thing. No. Next thing you know, we get out the helicopter, they still not back. And yeah, but I ain't gonna lie, $10 for these shorts, I may have to cop. Oh, they got some decent story. This raw's decent. They got these on. These them T-Max. Let me see what's on them. I probably wouldn't buy them, but they decent. Like them T-Max. I ain't gonna lie. Decent. I've been needing some new hoop shoes for real. I really do need some, but I'm probably not gonna buy any. Oh, they got the Timbs in here for real. Oh, look at these. Come on, look at these. $10. Yeah, you can hold it right there. Yeah. Just saying, like, till you get out the store. I know, I'm looking at. Look at these. Are these real Timbs? These like real Timbs, like real Timbs. These real Timbs right here. Like,
That's a steal. How about you?
you don't even know how much they go. You just saying they're still. Yeah, $100 though. That's not that much. You know, Tim's $200 and they trendy right now. This is 6 though.
I was gonna say they don't look like their size.
Hey, if they had my size, I probably would buy them. I can't even count. Cause I've been wanting some Timbs. Well, I want to try some Timbs. Oh my bad. I want to try some Timbs. Like I wouldn't say I want like something, but oh, hold up, the Hokas. Okay, these my size. I may have to got. They my size, y'all. $90. Come on. What you think about the Hokas?
Real?
Yeah, $90.
$90 on the site.
They could be, but not exactly always. Yeah, these some cool but they got some more Timbs though. I ain't gonna lie. I see some already. What y'all think? Yeah, another small pair. But okay. They Raws decent. Ain't no way they Raws just decent like this, bro. I stopped even just searching for our Raws anymore. I'm gonna let y'all know if I find something else, bro. She said the Hope is probably not working. They are $90. That's $90 on the website for the colorway I actually. Look at these docks. Bro, they got these dots in here. These not exactly my sauce, you know what I mean? My type of, you feel me? But they cool though. Look, Mari.
I showed Mama them.
Yeah. Now,
Go get them?
no. Pink shoes, pink clown shoes. All right, some way, somehow, I ended up finding an acai bowl. Or the acai bowl find me. Ty John.
Maybe say something. Does it taste reading?
It's me and these against the world. I can wear these doing anything. I can hoop in these. I can wear these to the beach. I can wear these to the... Yeah, it's me and these against the world. Tiger. Sand feel different over here. It's a little crunchier. Sand a little stiffer.
Oh, the cigarettes kick in. It came out.